Hi, I'm Flo from LifewFlo. I'm a sex educator and coach here on YouTube and on Instagram. Today I'm trying JO products and I'm going to blind taste test them and let you know which ones taste the best.
Okay, let's see if I can do this quickly. Okay.
So it's not drying up that much, which makes me think it's a hybrid or a silicone. It doesn't taste like anything. Yeah, for number one, I think my guess is the personal lubricant hybrid. Wow, the fact that I can't tell the difference right now between their silicone and water-based lubes is pretty awesome. Like, the way it's just lasting. I'd say this is the pink water-based flavored one, which is like a gape or a gop. Final guess, I'm gonna say oil.
A few moments later.
Dude, was that oil? That was confusing. Ooh! Oh, I fucked up on the last one. Yeah. Oh. This one's the coconut one. I don't like coconut and it tastes a lot like coconut. So this is the oil. Yeah, I feel like this is the oil one. So number 4 was for sure the oil, the coconut oil one. And then number 3 was the white chocolate one. I'm gonna fix my answers right now, okay? I'm not cheating, I haven't looked. I don't even remember what options I have left, to be honest with you. I can't smell any of these, which is pretty amazing, but also making this extremely hard. If their water-based lubes last this long, I'm going to be very happy. This is their no-flavored hybrid. Yeah, this is silicone. This has absolutely no flavor, but it's super silky. Oh, I'm gonna say it's their silky silicone. I haven't said that one yet, right? So number 6, silky silicone. I don't know how many times I've said silicone, but I think it's the wrong amount because there's definitely more water-based ones in there too. Ooh, I messed up. Oh no! Okay, so I think this is white chocolate. I'm gonna go with number 7 being white chocolate. I don't know what the hell I was thinking for number 3, but this one tastes good. Whichever one this one is, y'all, it tastes amazing. You need to try this. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know down below which one you would like to try. Before we go, I challenged the Rachel Wright team, who also got these products, to blind taste test with me.